No luggage or large bags allowed. Yung iba siguro pupunta dito, dala na yung luggage nila.
Kawalaan.
Donuts, pizza. Donuts nila 9. Pizza is 35. Kanilang chicken is 119. Parang mga hopya, 49. Rice Krispies is 95. Ito, buko na hopya. How much is this? Ay, sorry. 39 yata. Mga curry paste pala yan. $58, $40. Ay, ito mga luto. Itong Rice Krispies, 69. Ito. Ganda. And then, ito yung mga ano nila. Shredded pork. Yung mga cook meals nila, ito 59 lang. Ito. Shrimp potato, 156. Ito, 89, 159. Yung maliliit na pancakes, 50. Ayun yung mga rice crackers, 69. Buy 5, get 1. Ang hinahanap naming seafood sauce, 48. 345.
6 pieces.
Walang 2 kilos yan, na?
55.
Ayan, you can taste if you want. Dry durian, no? 345. Mga durian, no? 999. Freeze-dried. Coconut freeze-dried, 639. Bestseller daw. Ito, 699. Crispy coco. Mura ha, 230. Ganito karami. $200. Ano ba to? Thailand's favorite. I don't know what they are. Ito, oh. Uso sa kanila to, no? 200. Ito, 350. Ito, 280 lang, oh. Tom Yum herbs. Nice. Yata. Ay, hindi. Dry durian din. 680. Ito, 200. Tom Yum din. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Ito, buy 4, get 1 yung 280. Pero marami, ah. Ang isang pack. Spicy crispy garlic. Ay, shrimp. Ito kaya yung ginagamit sa pad thai? Itong mga rice crispy na to, 45 lang. I think I could buy this. Ano kaya flavor nito? Ganyan lang yung mga bibilin ko. Mura-mura lang. Wala akong pang shopping. Yung ito, 145. Ang daming pampasalubong dito, mga mare. Tom Yum set, 49. Mura na rin pala yung nabili ko sa palengke, no? Ito, 95. Ano to? Walang English. No English. Mga hopya, 39. Ito, 100 din. Ano yan? Sampalok yata. Ito naman, parang Coke Bangoman. Ano yung banana sa Japan? Pero ang laman nito, mango. 220. May 120. Ito mga to, 70. Pineapple pastry. Ito mga shredded meat siguro to. 175. May mga free taste sila, oh. Yan. Sweet fish seasoning. Parang dried fish siya. 49. Ito mura, oh. 49 lang. Ito parang hopya na malaki. 49. Uyo, crispy pork stick. 636. Ang mahal. Sa bagay, pork yun, diba? Yes. You want small this size? 996 baht lahat. Usually, mga ingredients panluto. Yung nagbili lang ako ng mga... Thank you! Bumili lang ako ng mga chips and sweets for the kids. Uy! Dami namin pinamili. Siyempre sa grocery na kami namili, di ba? Practical lang. Meron silang mumurahin lang, 890, 1490. Itong mga 890, mga small to. Yung mga 1390, mga medium. 1490. Medium rin yan eh. Basta malapit lang siya sa Picnic Hotel. Ang binayad namin sa Grab is only 93. Bigay namin 100. Tatlo naman kami, kaya rin na yun. Turista mode. Tok-tok. Kasi yung mga taxi ay mga Grab, nagka-cancel sa amin. So, no choice. Nag-tok-tok kami. 150 to Picnic Hotel. It's 1:12 p.m. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng cooking class namin na malapit yata sa Wat Arun Temple. Yung cooking class na yon, nakuha ko lang sa Klook. Kasi at that time that they were selling it, it was on half off. Kasi parang bago lang yung cooking school. Therefore, wala pa rin siyang reviews. Pero feeling ko naman okay siya. Maaga kaming pupunta kasi baka traffic. Ngayon, kung may oras pa, magkakape na lang kami. By the way, puro kami Grab kasi tatlo kami. So, parang hindi na rin mabigat kung maghati-hati kami sa pamasahe. Kasi kung magbe-BTS kami, yung Picnic Hotel kasi, mga 400 to 500 meters to the station. Two kinds of station, Payatay at saka Victory BTS. Hindi siya ganun kalapit. Yung mga 5-minute walk na nakalagay sa Google Maps, hindi naman accurate yon. Kasi depende sa pace, depende sa init. 'Di ba? Tapos, like, baka may tawid-tawid pa may. So, puro kami Grab. So, ito na yung pinaka-engranding travel ko kasi puro sakay. Pero okay na rin. Convenient nga naman. Parang main road to kasi maraming mga arko-arko na maganda yung design. And I think that's the royal family.
Welcome.
Welcome. Ayan na, cooking class. Yeah. Aesthetic. Charot. Hello. Hi.
Keep your bag here. If you feel like the water is too heavy, you don't need to bring it. Okay, but I recommend this because it's very
hot.
like stuffy.
Ganda naman dito. Ayan, you can bring this with water. Sabi ko fan na lang. Ganda ng CR. Aesthetic. Parang bago to, no? Bago nga talaga siya. Oh. Palengke na.
Market. Okay, the name of the market is Hanok. We enter on the side.
Yung palengke nila may spices, parang curry spices, ganon. Tsaka linis Walang putik. Siguro dahil hindi rin umulan. Parang Pilipinas lang din.
And galanga. So tom yum have to consist of these three. Okay, very important.
Dami nilang dahon-dahon. Sobrang healthy.
I love the ship. Really more expensive. Yeah. Hang on, your man. Yeah, quite expensive. Maybe 100 baht.
Mas mahal daw ng 100 baht.
Anyone want to cash? No. 650.
650 per kilo. Wow. Laki yun. Wala pang 1.5 tong cooking class na to.
Yes. So this one sells supplies for noodles. So if you go to the noodles, pork blood.
Pork blood.
Yeah. Thai people love eating pork butt soup as well. Jellyfish. This is the red curry. Anything like all the red curry, you can use this one. The back one is a southern style curry.
Ang ganda ng spice section. I wanna buy a lot.
Yeah, how much usually is a big pan?
That looks good. Oh, that one.
Yeah, this one.
I want to buy.
Kakao.
Bumili kami dito. 100 for pad thai. Kay Lola. How about those? Are those good?
This one?
Can we bring this in the luggage?
Yeah, yeah.
25 Madeleines. Madeleines. Hulas Mayor. Ay. Pag nilagyan daw ng lime, magiging purple.
Not beef pork, you can use it. Oh, this one is squeezy version for the picnic. I already cut mine. And then it smells. Yeah, ASMR. Yeah, on the cutting board. And then, careful. Yeah, give a nice red color. So once the shrimp is here, you kind of like suck them in, okay? No need to mix. Not milky one. For the milky, we put honey.
It's time to taste it.
You don't have it.
Sarap.
Your first.
Good.
Good. Masarap.
Masarap.
Ang galing nga, sukat na sukat nila pati yung patis.
Okay. Up and down, up and down. Okay. Just trim a little bit, alright? Softer and the shrimp is cooked, you are done, okay?
Yum. Yummy.
Curry of the king. Alright. The reason is it's become the home. Alright, go around like this first. Or you have to think it's a hard work, right? So you have to go for a very long time. So you have to go on, guys. Good job with the place. Coconut. Whether it's sticky, how? Just like when we exercise. Remember, if you don't like salty taste, a little bit. Go a little bit.
Maxaman curry is done. Ito na ang ating curry. Super bango. Ayan na. Ganda ng plato nila. Gusto ko ng ganito sa bahay. Sabaw muna. Yummy. This is parang basic curry with tanglad at galanggal. Sarap. Mas naging fragrant tuloy siya. At may nuts kasi. Tapos ito munggo raw to na tinanggal yung balat.
Beheaded.
Yung munggo, as you would expect, hilaw na munggo na matigas. Parang siyang peanut na walang peanut taste. Yung mangga nila.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, now. Yummy, ang sarap. Wait, how did they make the rice sweet? Did she say?
No, it's not sweet. It's
With pandan leaves.
salty. It's a little
Diba
salty.
it was
It's a little sweet for me.
parang
Meron siguro coconut na kasi.
Okay.
For the rest itself, it's a little salty.
This is a King Pedrin yata to. Tapos pag magbabayad kayo, i-enter nila sa terminal.